Hello kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I color a drawing. It's summer vacation time. Who will tell me what activities you doing in your vacation? My hobby doing color the beautiful drawing. See, I draw the watermelon in the place of you, because watermelon comes in the summer. Yummy yummy, it looks very tasty. I like watermelon so much. Do you like the watermelon? See, I draw the tree at the top of M, because we going to beach usually in summer, and we enjoyed a lot in summer season. I use the orange color in the letters. Do you go the beach in your life? Do you like to going the beach? See, I draw a sun at the top of the E and A, because in summer season the sun shine all the day. I also draw the football down of the M, because in summer holidays we play the football. Because there is no school in the summer holidays, the children play the football match during summer holidays. I like to play football match so much. Do you like the football match? Do you play in the football match? In summer holidays I also like to play with football. It's my favorite game. Don't forget to color in the sun. Who will tell what is the color of sun? Yes, tell me. Exactly, its color is yellow. So I use the yellow color. Also doing the color in the tree. Use the green and brown color in the tree. Also color in the football. Use the different colors in the football. See, the drawing looks so beautiful. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this drawing so much.